So you're putting in the effort. You're creating videos, you feel like you're doing the right thing, you're putting them on social media, but you're not seeing any return on all that effort. All you're getting is maybe a few comments that say nice video. Maybe you're not getting any comments or views at all. But overall, you're not growing your list, growing your reach, growing your authority, being able to build your business the way you think you should be able to using video. It comes down to 3 main areas that you're missing. I'm gonna let you know what those are just after this. Hey, I'm Frankie J, and entrepreneurs and business owners hire me to propel their business using video because most don't have the skill or the time to create videos that are effective in getting results for their business. Not to mention that many are scared about even putting themselves out there. But I help them to find that confidence to easily and quickly create videos just using their phone that get the results they're craving for their business. Because let's face it, video is a 24/7 salesperson that's working for you, so you want it doing the best possible job it can. Which leads me to where I'm talking about today, which is the 3 main areas that you're missing or you're lacking in, that's why you're not getting results for your videos. The first is that you have no idea, or you may think that you have an idea, of what types of videos to create that will build excitement and momentum for your business, for your launch, for whatever it is the goal is at the end. Video basically comes down to a strategic map of how to use it to catapult your marketing. It's not just a case of, oh, I've got to create videos, I'll just do a bunch of videos and shove them out there and see what happens. It's actually a strategic process to create the right videos at the right time during your customer engagement, during your funnel, during your launch, that actually build that momentum, build that excitement, build that trust, and turn strangers into fans and fans into buyers. The second, leading onto that, you first need to structure the whole plan of what types of videos you need to be creating, but then you need to structure the content. And what you don't understand is the way to grab attention is one, then to hold the attention of your audience through to the end of the video so they take the action that you want, so you're getting the result you want for your business. And then finally, using social media effectively. So it's not just a case of, I made this video, I pop it up on Facebook, or I put it out on YouTube, or I put it on Instagram, IGTV, wherever it is. You need to understand the platform that you're using, exactly how to, one, hack algorithms, because they all have certain algorithms that either prevent you or encourage you to get more reach, but also what types of content your audience wants to see on that platform. It's not just a case of one video, shove it on all the platforms and see what happens. It's actually knowing, well, how do I create this video in a way that Facebook likes and my Facebook audience wants? Then how do I upload it to Facebook correctly using the tags and the thumbnails and the captions and the title, and then what do I do with it? It's about knowing how to use those platforms, each of those individual platforms, whether you're YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, LinkedIn, properly in order to see the real results for your videos. And that's a big thing that people are missing. People like you maybe. So to bring this all together, I'd like to invite you to my free webinar, Creating a Video Marketing Plan that gets results for your business. You'll find a link to that in the description below. This training will actually step you through what you need in order to create a strategic and cohesive plan for the types of videos that are going to get you the results you need for your business. So I look forward to seeing you at that webinar. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.